Before we are diving into all of the details, let's first answer the question, what actually is Power BI? Power BI essentially is a data visualization tool. This means we can visualize our data. But it's not just any data visualization tool, but it's the most commonly used data visualization tool in the industry. And also in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant, it is the very clear leader. This means it is the best one in the ability to execute and also clearly the best one in the completeness of the vision. So with this data visualization tool, we can of course also analyze our data. But usually before we are visualizing and analyzing our data, we need to do a lot of data transformation work. This is usually in the beginning of every process when we want to create a report and visualize data. This is necessary to just fix some errors in the data. We need to rename some columns. We need to replace some values. So usually a big part of our work goes into data transformation before we are visualizing our data. But even after data transformation, we are not ready yet to visualize our data. Because usually we have multiple data sources. So we have multiple tables that we are going to load into Power BI. And those tables need to be usually connected. This means we need to create some relationships between those tables so that we can combine those tables and use them interactively together. This is why we need to build our data model. This is all of the work that we are doing in Power BI Desktop, which is the local application that we are going to download and install locally on our machine. But now if we want to share our reports and collaborate with some team members, we need to publish the report to the cloud. There we have different plans available, and we are going to dive deeper into this, of course, also in this course. And aside to this, we also have the Power BI mobile app, which we can also download and install on our smartphone so that we can access the reports from wherever we are just on our smartphone. And as you have seen, the big work is usually done in Power BI Desktop. Therefore, if you want to master Power BI, you need to master Power BI Desktop. This is where most of the work is done. And this is why we will also start with Power BI Desktop. And therefore, in the next lecture, we are going to download it and install it on our local machine.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.